Once upon a time, in a cozy little house nestled on the outskirts of a bustling city, lived a loving father named Mr. Jenkins and his adorable baby girl Lily. Mr. Jenkins was a gentle giant, with a heart as warm as a summer morning. Every night, as soon as the stars sprinkled across the sky, Mr. Jenkins and Lily had a special ritual. "Daddy Stowies!" little Lily would squeal, clapping her tiny hands. With a laugh, Mr. Jenkins would scoop her up and place her on his lap, surrounded by a pile of colorful storybooks. But Lily had a favorite, a well-loved book whose cover had become a little tattered over time. It was about a shooting star who kept losing her sparkle. As he read, Lily's eyes would widen with wonder, and her giggles would fill the room like bell chimes. Mr. Jenkins loved to see her radiant smile, and he knew these would be moments he'd treasure forever. But one day, something surprising happened. On an otherwise ordinary day, as Mr. Jenkins was cleaning, he accidentally knocked over an old dusty box. Out fell a strand of fairy lights, long forgotten. Mr. Jenkins had an idea. That night, just as Lily settled onto his lap with her beloved storybook, Mr. Jenkins flipped on the lights. Suddenly, the whole room shimmered with tiny, twinkling lights just like the stars in the book. Lily's eyes widened, as if she had discovered magic itself. "Look, Daddy! Stars!" she cried, reaching out to touch the glowing strands. Mr. Jenkins saw the joy in her eyes and felt his heart swell. It was in that moment he realized the depth of love he felt for his daughter. From then on, every bedtime was an adventure amid the twinkling lights. Lily would laugh and dance while Mr. Jenkins watched, his heart as luminous as the lights around them. "You're my shining star, little Lily," he would whisper as she drifted off to sleep, cuddled in his arms. Years later, Lily was all grown up, but she always remembered those magical nights with her father. She knew that, no matter where life took her, she would forever be her daddy's shining star.